So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix the pattern error in GTA 5 which we are getting it nowadays. So download these two files, which are the package file limit adjuster latest and the script2 file latest zip, and extract the bin folder in the script2 zip and the both ASI and ini files from the package file limit adjuster, and open file explorer again, go into your games folder and go into GTA 5 and into the bins folder, copy script2 DLL and then put a DLL into the GTA 5 folder and place them and click on replace if you already have them, and go back now, copy the both file limit adjuster and ASI and ini files into the GTA 5 folder and paste them again and click on replace. Now close everything and open GTA 5. The error is gonna be fixed. So well, as you can see, GTA 5 has opened, the error has been fixed. This was because we had to install the latest package file limit adjuster, so make sure to update it when there's a release. So if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.